Now, today here we discuss isomerism. Isomerism in coordination compound. As we know, isomerism means same molecular formula but different structural formula. See, here compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula are known as isomerism. Now, isomerism are classified into two types. One is structural isomer and the second one is geometrical isomer. Here we are discussing totally that is structural isomer. These structural isomer are classified into four types. That is, one is ionization isomer, then linkage isomer, then coordinate isomer, and solvate isomer. After that, here this ionization isomer in which the number of ions are different place but the molecular formula remains same. Here FeNH35BrSO4, FeNH35SO4Br. See, the position of Br here and here both were changed. Here Br is a secondary valency satisfied, here Br is a counter ion. This is a counter ion, so it is neutral, it is a primary valency. Now after that, the second isomerism, that is linkage isomer. Linkage isomer are used in which the ambient ligand, a ligand which show linkage from the both side. Example, NO2 linkage with N and O, cyanide linkage with C and N, with thiocyanide linkage with H and N also. So that is said to be linkage isomerism, and it is said to be because there is a ambient ligand. So that here we will discuss now in case of linkage isomerism. See, I am writing here with example CONH35NO2. Here both are CONH35NO2, here also CONH35NO2. See, here the linkage of CONO2 is linked with coordinate bond. Similarly, here in this there is a linkage with ONO. ONO is linked with CO. So here both the molecular formula remains same, but their linkage from O and linkage from N. This is said to be nitrito N because linkage from N, nitrito O because linkage from O. So it is the representation. So here its name I will be naming pentamine because 5NH3 pentamine, nitrito N because linkage from N side, cobalt 3 ion. This is yellow brown color complex, but when it is a O nitrito because of ambient ligand, so its color changes from yellow brown to red color. This complex, that is pentamine nitrito O cobalt 3 ion, is a red color complex, right? After that we will discuss the coordinate isomer in which central metal ions are different but they are combined with their ligand. See, here cobalt linked with ammonia and here chromium linked with oxalate ion. Similarly, in the second complex, cobalt linked with oxalate ion whereas chromium add with ammonia. So here the molecular formula remains same, but their linkage with the central metal ion or ligand are different. So that is said to be coordinate isomer. So here we will discuss many example with cyanide ligand, ammonia ligand by taking central metal cobalt and chromium. With ammonia and chloride ligand we will discuss with copper and platinum. So in this way copper and platinum can be expressed as above shown here. Example with cobalt and chromium. So this is a homework for you student, and now you will just clear. Now here we will discuss that is solvate isomerism. This solvate isomerism means here there is a complex CrCl3 6H2O can be exist as this CrCl3 6H2O can be exist as CrH2O 6Cl3 as a counter ion. This complex is a violet color. Now when this complex, if I am this complex writing here CrH2O5 Cl become secondary valency fulfilled, Cl2 and H2O. This is a blue color, this complex, because one water molecule is outside the coordination sphere and one chloride is changes to chlorido. that is ligand. Similarly, one more water molecule is to be removed and one chloride ion is become secondary, fulfill the secondary valency. So that is the formation of, that is the gives the green color complex, and this is they are differentiated by the color, and that is said to be solvate isomerism. In this solvate isomerism, complex compound containing molecular formula remains same, but they are differentiate by the water molecule. In first, there is a water molecule are secondary valency fulfilled. In secondary, 5 water molecule are secondary and 1 is primary. In last, yes, you see H2O 4 molecules are secondary and 2 are this primary valency. In this way, they are differentiated by the color, right?